like building some muscles today.
Wow! Hey there, human! Did I hear you're learning about the muscular system?
Whoa! A talking mouse and you even have muscles?
Oh, you bet I do! They don't call me muscular for nothing. Check this out! Ah!
Okay, but tell me, how does the muscular system even work?
Oh, great question. Have you ever wondered how you can crack a smile, throw a ball, and or even just breath?
I guess I never really thought about it.
Well, it's not magic. It's the incredible work of your muscles. In fact, did you know that your body has over 600 muscles?
600? That's like a whole army of muscles.
Exactly! And guess what? Just lifting your foot and setting it down takes over 200 muscles working together.
No way! So every time I take a step, my muscles are doing that much work?
You got it! And not just for moving, your muscles also help you breathe, blink, and even digest food. You don't even have to think about it. Your muscle just do it.
That's amazing! So if I want strong muscles like you, what should I do?
Aha! The secret is exercise, good food, and rest. Just like lifting little dumbbells helps me stay muscular, running, stretching, and even eating healthy food keeps your muscles strong and happy.
Whoa! So every time I run, jump, or even stretch, I'm using my muscular system?
Ding 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 ding! You got it! Your muscles are like your own superpower.
That's so cool! Alright, Muscular, I'm ready to flex my brain and learn more.
Now that's the spirit. Get ready because we're about to dive deep into the world of the muscular system. Alright, Tim, before we dive in, we have one big mission today to teach you all about the muscular system.
That's right. By the end of this, you'll know the basic parts of the muscular system, the main function of our muscle, common health problems, and how to keep our muscles strong and healthy.
Phew, that's a lot of flexing. Learning. So, let's go!
Well, before we jump in, what exactly is the muscular system?
The muscular system is a vital organ system that enables movement, maintains posture, balance, generates strength, and even helps regulate body temperature.
Whoa! So my muscles do all that. No wonder I feel warm after running around.
So, how does our muscle move?
There are two types of muscle movements, voluntary and involuntary.
Ooh, this sounds like a exciting topic.
Voluntary movements are actions we consciously control. Our nervous system sends signals to our muscles to move.
So that means walking, writing, and even smiling?
Ding 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 ding! Exactly! I chose to flex my muscles like this. Yeah!
Involuntary movements happen automatically, without us thinking about them. These are essential for bodily functions.
So things like breathing?
Yep! And don't forget your heartbeat and digestion. Your muscles are always working, even when you're sleeping.
Whoa! So my muscles are like little workers inside my body, always on the job?
Exactly! And that's why we have to take care of them. But don't worry, we'll get to that soon.
Awesome! Let's keep learning!
Alright, muscle fans, we're back for more Flextastic learning.
Today, we're talking about something super important. The 5 amazing properties of muscle.
That's right, muscles aren't just for showing off, even though mine are pretty impressive, right? They have special abilities that help our bodies move and adapt.
Ooh, I'm ready. What's the first one?
The first property of muscles are excitable or irritable. This means muscles can receive stimulation and respond to signals from nerves.
So, like when my body reacts to something?
Exactly, like blinking when something flies toward your eye.
Whoa, that happens so fast! My muscle responds without me even thinking about it.
Bingo! That's muscle power in action.
The second property is contractible. Muscles can contract or shorten after receiving a signal.
So, that's how we move?
You get it! When you walk or lift weights, your muscles contract to pull your bones and make movement happen.
Whoa, even something as small as picking up a pencil is a muscle contraction?
Yep, and every step you take, boom 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 boom, your muscles are working non-stop.
The third property is extensible. Muscles can be stretched without damage.
Oh, like when I reach for something high up?
Exactly! Or when you do stretches before exercising. Check this out. See? My muscles are stretchy and strong.
So, stretching helps keep our muscles healthy?
Oh yeah, it keeps them flexible and ready for action.
The fourth property is elasticity. Muscles can return to their original shape and length after being stretched or contracted.
So, like a rubber band?
Yep, or like jumping rope. Your muscles stretch when you go down and bounce right back up.
Oh, I see. So, when I jump, my muscles stretch, and when I land, my muscles go back?
Boom! You get it! And that's why athletes train their muscles to be both strong and elastic.
The fifth property is adaptability. Muscles can change and become stronger depending on how they are used.
So, the more I use my muscles, the stronger they get?
Exactly! If you run, swim, or cycle a lot, your muscles adapt by becoming more efficient at using oxygen. That's how endurance athletes can go for so long.
So, my muscles actually learn and improve? That is so cool!
Yep! The more you challenge your muscles, the stronger and more efficient they get. That's why exercise is so important.
Wow, muscles are amazing! They can respond, contract, stretch, bounce back, and even adapt.
Boom! You got it! And that's why taking care of them is super important.
Let's keep learning how to keep our muscles healthy.
Alright, muscle masters, we've talked about what muscles can do. But now it's time to talk about what they're made of.
Ooh, are there different kinds of muscles?
You bet! Our muscular system is made up of three main types of muscle tissue. Number one is cardiac muscle. It's found in the heart. Number two is the skeletal muscle. It's found attached to bones. And number three, smooth muscle, found in internal organs.
Whoa, there are different types, but why do we need that?
Great question. Each one has a special job to keep your body moving. Let's start with the strongest muscle in your body, your heart.
The heart contains a unique tissue called cardiac muscle, which plays a crucial role in pumping blood throughout the body. This muscle is also known as the myocardium. Myocardium is the specialized cells that contract and relax in response to nerve signals.
Oh, so that's what makes my heart beat.
Exactly. And here's what makes cardiac muscle so cool. It's only found in the heart. It's an involuntary muscle. It beats without you thinking about it. It's strong and never stops because your heart has to work all the time.
Whoa, my heart never takes a break?
Nope. If it did, well, let's just say we need it working 24/7.
The next is the skeletal muscles that are attached to bones by tendons and allow us to move.
So when I walk, run, or even wave, those are skeletal muscles working?
Boom! You got it! These muscles are attached to bones, voluntary, you control them. Striated, help maintain posture and body stability. Generate heat, which is why you feel warm after exercising.
Whoa, so skeletal muscles help me move and keep me warm?
Yep! But here's where it gets even cooler.
There are two types of skeletal muscle fibers. The first one is the slow twitch type 1 red muscles used for long activities like running or swimming. Second is the fast twitch type 2 white muscles that are used for quick, powerful bursts like sprinting or jumping.
So if I train a lot, I can build more of this muscle?
You sure can. If you do endurance training, you improve your slow switch muscles. If you do weightlifting or sprinting, you develop fast switch muscles for power.
That's awesome! I want to train both!
Smooth muscle is found in the walls of internal organs like the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels.
Oh, so it helps with digestion and blood flow?
You got it! And guess what? It's an involuntary muscle. It works without you thinking about it. It has spindle-shaped cells. It moves slowly and rhythmically to keep your body running smoothly.
So my stomach muscles help digest food and my blood vessels contract to move blood?
Exactly. You don't even realize it, but your smooth muscles are always working to keep you healthy. Alright, muscle fans, we've talked about what muscles are, but now let's talk about what they do.
Oh, I bet they do more than just help us move.
You got that right. The muscular system is responsible for so many important functions in the body. Let's break it down.
Mobility is one of the most important functions of the muscular system. It allows us to run, walk, jump, and move our bodies in different ways.
Oh, so every step I take, every jump I make is all because of my muscle?
Exactly. Without muscles, we'd be stuck like statues.
To stability, muscles keep us stable by maintaining balance and preventing falls.
So, when you stand on one leg and don't fall over, your muscles are helping you?
Yep. See, that's your muscles working hard to keep you balanced.
Posture. Good posture is maintained by strong muscles that hold the body upright.
Oh, so sitting up straight in class is thanks to my muscle?
You get it. And bad posture, that's when your muscles get lazy.
Circulation. The heart is a muscle that pumps blood throughout the body, keeping oxygen and nutrients flowing.
Wait, my heart is a muscle too?
Oh yeah, and it never skips leg day. It pumps blood non-stop to keep you alive.
Respiration. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps us breathe by moving air in and out of our lungs.
Oh, so when you take a deep breath, your muscles are actually working?
Yep. Take a deep breath. That's your diaphragm flexing in action.
Digestion. Smooth muscles in the stomach and intestines help move food through the digestive system.
Whoa, so my muscles help digest my food too?
Oh yeah, they work hard to push food through your stomach, even while you're sleeping.
Urination. Muscles help control when we hold in and release urine.
So when I feel like I have to go to the bathroom, my muscles are in control?
Exactly. They tighten when you need to hold it and relax when it's time to go.
Childbirth. During childbirth, muscles in the uterus contract to help push the baby out.
Whoa, that's a lot of muscle power!
Yep, the human body is amazing.
Vision. Small muscles in the eyes help us focus and move our eyes.
Oh, so when I look around, tiny muscles are working?
You get it right. Even blinking uses muscles.
And organ protection. Muscles surround and protect important organs like the lungs and intestines.
So my muscles are like bodyguards for my organs?
Yep, strong muscles equals to better protection.
Temperature regulation. When it's cold, muscles generate heat by shivering.
Oh, so when I shiver, my muscles are actually trying to keep me warm?
Exactly. They move really fast to create body heat.
Oh, muscular! Muscular. What happened?
Oh, I was practicing my super cool jump spin kick, but I forgot to warm up, and now my muscle hurts.
Uh-oh. That sounds like a muscle strain.
Wait, what? What's that?
Muscle strain happens when fibers overstretch or tear from sudden movement or overuse. Symptoms: pain, swelling, limited movement. Prevention: warm-ups and stretching. Treatment: rise, rest, ice, compression, and elevation.
Okay. Oh, so if I stretch before I run, I can avoid a muscle strain?
Exactly. And right now, I'm using the rice method to heal. Oh! And don't even get me started on muscle cramps.
What are those?
Muscle cramps are painful contractions caused by dehydration, fatigue, low potassium, calcium, or magnesium. Prevention: hydrate, eat well, and stretch.
So if I drink water and eat banana, I won't get muscle cramps?
That's right. Bananas are full of potassium, which helps muscles work properly.
What about when people say their elbows or knees hurt all the time?
Tendonitis is tendon inflammation from repetitive motion or overuse. Affects shoulders, elbows, knees. Symptoms: pain, stiffness, swelling. Prevention: proper movement and avoid overuse.
Oh yeah, that's why you should always use the right form when lifting weights.
I've heard of muscular dystrophy before. What is it?
Muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder causing muscle weakness over time. No cure, but physical therapy and medication help manage symptoms.
It's a serious condition, but with treatment, people can still live their best lives.
What about myasthenia gravis? That sounds complicated.
Myasthenia gravis weakens muscles by affecting nerve muscles communication. Symptoms: fatigue, muscle weakness, difficult in daily activities. Treatment: medication and immune therapy.
Whoa, so this isn't caused by an injury, but by the body's immune system?
That's right. It's a miscommunication between nerves and muscles.
And what about fibromyalgia?
Fibromyalgia causes widespread pain, fatigue, and tenderness, sleep and mood issues. Treatment: exercise, stress management, and medication.
Taking care of your muscles is super important. Alright, Isabella, we've learned all about muscles, their functions, and even their health problems. But now, let's talk about how to keep them strong and healthy.
Ooh, I want to know how. What do I have to do?
Don't worry, I got you. Taking care of your muscles is as easy as 1, 2, 3, actually 5 steps.
Number 1. Eat properly. A healthy diet is key to strong muscle. Eat protein, chicken, fish, eggs, and bean for muscle growth. Eat healthy carbs, rice, whole grains, and fruits for energy. Stay hydrated. Muscle need water to function properly. Take vitamins, calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium for muscle strength.
So, if I eat healthy foods, my muscles will get stronger?
Exactly. Your muscles are like a car. They need the right fuel to run properly.
Exercise regularly. Exercise keeps your muscle active and strong. Strength training, build muscle, lifting, weights, and push-up. Cardio exercises keeps muscle endurance ready. Running and swimming. Stretching prevents injuries and keep muscles flexible.
So, if I just sit around all day, my muscles will get weaker?
That's right. Use them or lose them.
Rest. Muscles need rest to recover and grow. Sleep 7 to 9 hours a night. Rest between workouts. Avoid overworking muscles.
Oh, so resting is just as important as exercising?
Yep, that's when muscles repair and grow stronger.
Maintain good posture. Good posture keep muscle aligned and prevent strain. Sit up straight. Stand tall. Shoulder back. Heads up. Lift objects properly to avoid injuries.
So, no more slouching in class?
No, sit up straight. Your muscles will thank you.
Visit an orthopedic doctor if needed. If you experience muscle pain or injuries, visit a doctor. Orthopedic doctors specialize in muscle, bone, and joint health. They help treat serious muscle problems. Don't ignore pain. Get checked.
So, if something feels wrong, I should see a doctor instead of ignoring it?
Exactly. Taking care of your muscles means listening to your body.
Whoa, Muscular! We've learned so much about the muscular system.
I know, right? From how muscles works to how to take care of them. It's been a wild ride.
Okay, let's do a final review. Muscular system basics. The muscular system helps us move, maintain posture, and regulates body temperature. There are 3 types of muscles. The cardiac muscles, involuntary in the heart. Skeletal muscle, voluntary attached to the bone. Smooth muscle, involuntary in organs like the stomach. Muscle movements, voluntary, we control them, like walking and smiling. Involuntary, they work automatically, like heartbeat and digestion. Properties of muscle. Excitable, this responds to stimuli. Contractible, it shortens when activated. Extensible, it can stretch. Elastics, it can return to the original shape. Adaptable, changes based on use. Common muscle problems, fibromyalgia, strains, cramps, tendinitis, muscular dystrophy, and myasthenia gravis. How to take care of your muscle. Eat well, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, maintain good posture, visit a doctor when needed. That was amazing! Our muscles are so cool and important.
Right? And if you take care of them, they'll take care of you.
Thanks for teaching me, Muscular. I'm gonna start taking better care of my muscles from now on.
That's the spirit. Now, let's go put these muscles to work.